Yo, what is up? What's up, folks? I got my Sony a6000 here. We are going to be recording just a little short intro of exactly what the heck this video is that I just created with Maekersuite and Descript. So Descript is a tool that you could use to basically use for podcasts primarily, but for transcriptions. It gives you the text and then you edit the text and it edits the video for you. So I thought that was pretty cool. But one of the things that I also was doing before that, besides browsing Reddit, let's see here. This was on AppSumo and I got this today. We can check out the AppSumo page, but if we take a look at what it says here, you get, I'm going to speak into the mic now, it's so big, blocking my text. I basically made a Maekersuite video here where you get an AI script. There's also an analysis video you could do. Let's move this thing out of the way. If we view the project, we could see that we start off with a brief where you enter the stuff you had. I think it kind of bugs out a little bit. I placed some stuff here before. It's not letting me edit, which then created an outline. I'm going to move this over here now. This outline spells introduction wrong. Essentially tells you the high-level script of what it's going to create. So you could always do this in ChatGPT, but basically after you do that, it creates the script, and this was pasted directly into Descript. And then from there, in Descript, I just added a bunch of, you could have GIFs added as the thing. So that's just a quick little intro. But if you were a full voice AI editor, or someone who wanted to make faceless content, I think if you still use a microphone and voice overdub, but if you like editing with text and quickly adding B-roll footage, I think Descript is the way to go, and with Maekersuite helping create that content as well. So let's just paste. I'm just going to play what Descript made and hope you guys enjoy this video. Peace.
What's up, team? Get ready to create mind-blowing videos without ever showing your face or dealing with cameras. AI-generated content is the future, and it's here to unlock endless creativity right at your fingertips. Say goodbye to traditional hurdles and hello to a game-changing video production experience. In this digital era, faceless videos are a game changer, offering privacy and efficiency. Maekersuite and Descript lead the charge, transforming scripts into captivating videos sans cameras. Get ready to revolutionize content creation. My first dive into Maekersuite and Descript felt like stepping into a futuristic movie about content creation. Within minutes, I went from curious observer to active creator. This seamless blend of cutting-edge technologies didn't just simplify the process, it redefined what's possible in video creation, setting a new standard for efficiency and innovation. Get ready to experience a mind-bending fusion of AI-powered visuals and lifelike audio that will change how you think about storytelling. Maekersuite is a godsend in planning and creating scripts with ease. Using its AI engine, you place information as a brief. It generates an outline that you can review. Then you turn the outline into a script, which is exactly what was pasted into Descript. That's where the real magic happens. This feature breathes life into your script, transforming words into natural-sounding audio with incredible emotion and intonation. The level of realism in these AI voices is mind-blowing, providing you with a powerful tool to convey your message authentically without ever recording a single word. You can also train a voice model to sound just like you. Together, Maekersuite and Descript form an unstoppable duo, fusing AI planning innovation with text and transcription editing capabilities on you. This synergy not only elevates the quality and appeal of your content, but also opens up new realms of boundless creativity. Get ready to make your mark in the digital world like never before. I'll be honest, I was a total skeptic at first. The idea that AI could rival human creativity seemed far-fetched until I created my first video using Maekersuite and Descript. What began as an experiment quickly turned into a mind-blowing experience. Crafting a video from scratch without filming a single shot or recording audio felt like wielding the future itself. Seeing my script come alive with stunning visuals and natural narration made me realize AI's true potential for unleashing creativity. This journey from skepticism to belief has transformed how I view video creation, opening up a world of limitless storytelling possibilities. Get ready to have your mind blown by the power of faceless AI content. biggest pro of using Maekersuite and Descript is both tools excel in their own lanes. Maekersuite can research all the top YouTube SEO content and have a one-click project creation process where you can generate an outline, tweak the outline, and generate a full script. Normally, People would record content based on Maekersuite script, but there's nothing stopping you from pasting it into Descript. You could of course ask Chat to make a script as well, but I like the research-heavy focus that Maekersuite provides. Descript makes editing by transactions really easy. In this case, the AI-generated script goes right into Descript. If you are an AI video editor, there is no need to record anything, show your face, or worry about if you sound bad on the microphone. Embracing Maekersuite and Descript marks the start of a new era for content creators. These platforms simplify video production while elevating it, allowing anyone to tell mind-blowing stories without traditional barriers. The fusion of AI visuals and voice generation is revolutionizing how we create and consume video content. For aspiring creators or seasoned pros looking to innovate, this AI revolution isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Get ready to blow minds with your limitless creativity.
Hey folks, what's going on here? So that was Descript. Text editor made all that voice, and it has an option to add video layovers. So I found it to be a pretty decent text to video editor. And then of course I took the whole script from Maekersuite and then used the exact output to go into Descript. And then so I had to make some video content. So I just used Giphy, however you pronounce it. But I think if you're using Descript, what I showcased is a workflow to go from like AI script to video. Of course, the B-roll footage, if you're making your whole content like that, may not fly for some people, but people like my dad or some people I know, they actually watch AI content where it's just informative and they don't even realize it's AI. So I think there's potential there to kind of make some of this content if you've considered making faceless AI content. Now, if you make content like myself and you use video, I still think that Descript is pretty good in terms of editing that content, because you'll want to, edit by transcription, so you could easily remove the fillers if that's what you want to do, or you could see things that you've said in your video and just completely delete them. Whereas most of the time when you're editing, let's say in Resolve or in Final Cut Pro, you have to scrub and remember that you made a mistake. So this is something to consider as a new way of editing. And so I definitely recommend checking out Descript. And as for Maekersuite, it's been working pretty well, but I just got it today, so there's still more to research. They have a research option called, let me see if I can get up here. It's called Research a Topic Explorations. So you basically put some things that you're interested in doing. It finds the SEO from the YouTube and stuff of that nature. And then from there, you could actually just create a project and get an AI script. So it could improve some people's workflow, but if you're already using ChatGPT, I could see some people just asking ChatGPT to make content. But this one seems to connect with YouTube at least, so it's actually getting YouTube content where ChatGPT can't actually integrate with YouTube or research YouTube. People have to put transcripts. I think this might be an option that combines both YouTube SEO with, let's say, like a ChatGPT script writer. And of course, if you don't like the script or the outline, you can then just take what's given in Maekersuite and put that in ChatGPT. So that's my kind of review, I guess, of Maekersuite and Descript. Let me know if you guys use AI content and yourself, and if you hear any background noise, I'm actually watching X-Men on Disney Plus, the comic book version. So I'm also losing my voice. I think I'm getting COVID, but yeah, leave some comments below if you use any AI tools or already using Descript, and I'm interested to see some of the outputs there. Peace.